The nylon nanofiber membrane technology, developed by Taiwan Textile Research Institute, makes outdoor waterproof apparel lighter, thinner, dry faster, and more breathable, providing the wearer with a very comfortable experience. It is the world's first breathable waterproof membrane made of nylon material. The surface fabric, breathable membrane, and inner fabric are all composed of a single material, following the mono-material trend in international brand product design. In the future, the material separation process is no longer required after recycling, and the entire piece can be reused to implement the circular economy policy. Nylon nanofiber membrane is produced by needle-free electrospinning technology, which can generate more nanofibers with a uniform width and increases production efficiency by 5.3 times. Solving the problem of slow production speed in conventional nanofibers manufacturing processes. The nylon fiber membrane offers the highest elasticity and strength on the market, improves final product yield, reduces production costs, and is favored by top domestic textile manufacturers.